This short tutorial is for most beginners. Sometimes what happens is before getting conversant with the software tool, sometimes we displace the toolbar from its default position and spend a lot of time searching for the missing tools menu in ANSYS DesignModeler, as well as in meshing. You can solve this issue in seconds by doing a simple layout reset. So let's see the process. In DesignModeler you want the default layout setup, then you need to go to the View menu, Windows and select Reset Layout. In meshing, you need to go to the Home tab and select Reset Layout. The toolbar menu will be set as per the default position. This procedure is mostly the same in all software versions. Thank you. Keep learning and keep exploring.